I'm going to be showing you how to see deleted call on WhatsApp. So to view a deleted call history on your WhatsApp, you must restore a backup that was created before the call was deleted by reinstalling the app and following the on-screen prompts to restore from your cloud backup. So let's go through this step by step. The first thing you need to do is to check for a backup. Just open your WhatsApp. Once you're in the app, you just need to look at the bottom right where you can see the settings option. Just go here and now you have options like account, privacy, chats, notifications, and many more. You just need to tap on chat. Once you're here, you just need to find chat backup, which is right above export chat. So just go ahead and tap here and make sure you've backed everything up. And after you've made sure of that, you just need to uninstall WhatsApp. So as you can see, just tap on delete WhatsApp. After the app has been deleted, you just need to go to your app store and you need to reinstall WhatsApp again. Make sure you reinstall WhatsApp. And after you've done so, all you need to do now is open WhatsApp, agree to the terms, and enter the same phone number that was used for the original backup and restore everything by following the prompts to restore your chat history. And after you've done so, just complete the setup, tap on next, and your deleted call history will now be visible. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.